Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to handle support tickets and track issues in your free Agile CRM. First, turn an email into a ticket. Go to the contacts page and find the customer. On their profile, click Add Note, describe the issue and tag it #ticket. Click Save. Now, create a task from this. Go to the Tasks section. Click Create Task, name it after the issue, like Fix Login Error. Assign it to a team member with the Assignee dropdown. Set a due date and click Save. To track all tickets, use the Deals pipeline. Go to Deals and use the Support Tickets pipeline. Create a new deal named after the issue. Set its stage to New Ticket and link it to the customer's contact. Move the ticket through stages. On the Deals page in Kanban view, find the ticket card. Drag it from New Ticket to In Progress. Assign the deal to a team member in its details. To mark it resolved, drag the card to Resolved. Then, go to the original task, mark it as completed, and that's it. You've logged an issue, created a task, used a pipeline to track, and moved it to resolution. If this helped you manage support for free, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.